During the summer intensive, the dancers and I have been creating a new choreography. We created 5 minutes of new material to Dave Brubeck's composition Take 5. It's been really fascinating seeing how the dancers have evolved throughout this creation and delving into some new styles for them to learn. It's really important for dancers to explore their own choreography, to understand themselves better as a performer, artist, person, how they conduct themselves within that space, what interests them choreographically, so that they can bring that forward when they're collaborating with other choreographers and artists.
The experience with Charlotte has been incredible. I've never really done new choreography by myself before, and so having someone that was so ready and eager and willing to work with us and really wanted to hear what we had to say and really wanted to, oh, I really liked that, let me include that into the choreography. She really wanted us to be seen in it as well, and such a collaborative experience that I hadn't experienced before.
So I did the summer intensive in around 2006-2007 with White Lodge. I remember Kenneth Tharp's session and so vividly, and I had never moved in that way. So having these inspiring voices present in the summer intensive just enabled me to kind of open my eyes early on in my career and be inspired by so many different people, either who I was dancing next to and meeting on that course or being taught by. So it really was so informative.
She's so sweet, and she's an amazing dancer as well, and just watching her trying to create the choreography was also very special. The way she moved, and you were inspired by her, and you were trying to catch what the essence of this work was.
Coming from a small dance school and kind of stepping into such kind of big spheres, essentially, it helped with supporting myself through kind of audition settings, and I suppose that helped by just kind of going out my comfort zone and kind of stepping into an intensive. Really, it kind of really prepared you for those bigger moments later on.